video. Okay, so today is going to be another crafting video. I know I've been doing some other things, but now it's going to be another crafting video. Today's going to be a bit harder than the other ones, so make sure to follow along very carefully. So the materials that we need, it's going to be this big box. Okay, so today we are going to be making a foosball table, so that's why this is going to be our little table or box. Then again, we need 2 little nets here. I cut out 2 nets. This is 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters tall. And just to decorate the bottom, I have this piece of turf. I just used white duct tape for my lines. 4 skewers that have another bead, a big bead on the end of it. Then you're gonna need 4 smaller beads that again have a hole in it. Of course, we need our people. I have 5 blue and 5 red. And again, I decorated them a little bit, just a little smiley face, and I put a number on all of them. And to hold everything together, I have some glue and some glue sticks. Also, when I tried to glue some of the big parts, I used tape because the hot glue dries very quickly. This is the part I was talking about, so now we're gonna glue this, or tape, this down here to the bottom. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it down. I'm gonna put a bit of glue underneath. There we go. Be careful not to burn yourself. There. Okay, a bit over here maybe. There we go. Okay, so now that all the corners are good, I'm going to grab our skewers and I'm going to place them through some holes. Okay, so let's make some holes right in the side here. Place them all the way through, like this. Make sure that the box, like the width here, is a bit smaller than the skewer, so then these can easily move like that across. This is going to be the joystick. Again, let's poke them in. And the other side. Again. Also, just to test, grab one of our clothes pins / one of our people, and on the pins there are a big hole and a small hole. Clamp the small hole down onto the skewer and make sure that this can easily swing freely. Also, try the same experiment and do it on the 2 ends to make sure that it doesn't hit the sides here, so it doesn't hit the nets. Let's try on this side. Perfect. Okay. Now that our skewers are in, on the other side, when we're pulling them, these could pop out. So, we're going to grab our beads and glue them on the ends here, not all the way in, just on the very tip, so then it doesn't move. Okay, there we go. Now that they're drying, I hope this one's not done yet. There we go. Okay. They should be dry, or just while they're drying, we are going to now glue on our little people. I'm gonna start off just by using the red. Oh, there's only 4. Where's the other one? Where'd it go? There it is, hanging out with the blue people. Okay, so we're gonna grab our people. And again, remember that there's a big hole and a small hole. I'm gonna put some glue in the small hole. Right there. Now quickly before it dries, bring it over here and clamp it down. Like that. Wait. I'm gonna put a bit more glue on mine so then they stay very firmly. Go. There we go. Now when I turn the handle, see on this side, it turns just like that. Okay, so for these two, the ones on the ends, they're gonna be 2 characters. For the ones close to the middle, they're gonna be 3, okay? So now grab our other red one, do the same thing, glue in the middle, place it on here. Make sure they're both the same. Okay. Now we're gonna do some time lapse so I can glue them all. Remember, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 2 there. Guys, now that they're drying, this is about everything. I can't show you too much, so let's go test it out.
Okay, here we go. Drop the ball. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, hit it! Yes, blue team. Oh no, they're both struggling to hit it. Here it comes. Stuck in the corner. Oh no, will blue team be able to get it? Who's gonna get the first goal? Here it comes. Oh, bam! Right around the stadium. Here it comes. Ooh! Almost missed the net again. That's twice in a row. There must be some kind of fault there. Oh no, here it comes. Ready? Stuck in the corner again. Who's gonna score? Oh my gosh, guys, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. But I don't know what to say anymore. It's crazy. It's just bouncing everywhere. Who's gonna score, guys? Oh, there we go.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I know I didn't show you most of the progress, but because it was too hard to do on camera and it took me so many times to do it, I know you have seen a word in this video. It was pretty easy to see, but it's the secret word, okay? So if you found it in this video, make sure to comment down below if you can. I know this video is made for kids, so you can't comment, but just think in your head and remember the word. In every video, I will now be doing a secret word, and it's going to be harder and harder. So, say the word that you saw, and then I'll tell you. So the word was actually on my hand. It was seat. Okay, so again, it's going to get harder. I know that's pretty easy. But anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.